Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's Vesna here and this is my home channel. So for today's video I'm doing an Easter home tour. I'll start the tour outside. So this is just my porch. It's really rainy today, so it doesn't do it justice, but I'm loving the way my Easter decor looks. There's just a little bit of pop of color. There are those DIYs that I made, all of those things I've made myself. Then there's my garage. My garage, all I did was I have these urns and I just added some boxwood and some forsythia in there. And then I made my little snowman into bunnies, and then I added some bunnies and eggs and such into the pots with some forsythia and boxwood. And then I've put my wreath that I DIY'd using all Dollar Tree items up on the door. And simple, I don't have a huge porch, so really easy and simple decor. It's very windy today, so the bunny ears are flowing all over the place, and it's raining. It's like not very nice. It's supposed to snow today, so that kind of stinks. So on the other side of my door, I have my spring wreath, and then I have the little wreath that I made with the car that you'll see how I made that on Tuesday if you go to my DIY channel. And then you have all these DIYs that I made on my cupboard here. I've made pretty much everything there, but that looks DIY made. The other stuff is either from HomeSense or from a thrift store. So from here, I'll take you to my family room, and I've just decorated the mantle a little bit with some Easter stuff. I have spring everywhere. I have hyacinths, fresh hyacinths on all of my tables. Then I have my little tulip arrangement and my tray. I'll just pop in here. This is what I use to make my trays. Lots of stuff. And so I didn't want to have a separate video of how I created my trays, but here's all the stuff that I used. All of it is DIY stuff with the exception of a few things here and there. You can check out my DIY videos. There's a new one that I posted earlier today, and then there is a whole playlist that I'll link to the end of this video with all of my tray decor and all of the Easter decor that I made over on my DIY channel. Which brings me to mention that I do have a DIY channel. It's just called Vesna TV, and a cooking channel, Vesna TV Cooking. So if you haven't subscribed or checked them out, make sure you check them out, subscribe, hit that like button, notification bell, so you can see more videos. And so moving on, this is just a little bit of a close-up of my fireplace. Again, all DIYs that I made. This video is a part of the Sunday FUNDAY challenge. This challenge is hosted monthly by Deco Easy, so Yanni and Diane. And their co-host this month is the Crafting Cousins, so Trish and Kay. If you haven't checked out their channels, I'll have everything linked in my description below, as well as the playlist, because of course there's a playlist. So check it out. It's anything goes. You can put anything on this challenge. So there'll be DIYs, home decor, hauls, all sorts of cool things. So check them out. And let's move on. Then I have my kitchen, which I don't do a whole lot. I just do a little bit on our table. We use the table every day, a couple times a day, so I don't want to move too much stuff. And we move on to my formal dining room. Again, my DIYs are here. I got those napkins, which you see there, I think at Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I thought they were really cute and kind of like farmhousey. Here's the other tray that I made with all the decorations in it. And finally, my buffet. And here's just a shot of it from a little bit further away from the other side. I always film from this side because the other part of this room is a formal living room, which we use as a playroom, so it's a bit of a mess, so I don't always show it. And so finally, we'll move on to the basement. All I do here is I just decorate the built-ins and the fireplace. And here's the fireplace. I've got my little spring stuff at the bottom, and then at the top I've got my DIYs. So actually at the top here, all of these things I DIY'd myself, including the clock. I can link the video here. It's all on my DIY channel. I'm quite proud of including the built-ins and everything I've done. Like we've done ourselves, the built-ins my husband helped with. I painted the fireplace. I'll link the video here so you can see the transformation. It looks like a completely different room. It was dark, dingy, and we didn't use it much before, and now it's just like, it's one of our favorite spots to go. This will eventually be the playroom, but the kids are still too small to leave them down here by themselves. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by. Make sure you check out the playlist and the hosts of this challenge as well. Check out the videos I recommended here and hop on over to my DIY channel. Check out what I've done there as well. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Have a great day.